I think when we first got to know that IPL is finally happening and starting from 19th of September, our preparations were right there. We knew that we want to do something really special, something which hasn't been done from the other media houses, and we wanted to put the best foot forward. And the first thing which actually came to my mind was that I need to build a very good team. I need to have those individuals who can deliver. So, as a leader, I knew that I need those good players who can come, who can knock the ball and can anchor the innings as well, as we say in the cricketing language. So, that's when we started. So, we had writers, we had 2-3 writers. We knew that we need some good writers if we want to have all the angle copies. Then, of course, the designers were there to make the best of designs. The video editors were there to make the best of videos. The presenter was there, of course, and then the social media team as well. And collectively, we tried our level best to deliver in the way that we remember and make it a memorable for all of us.
I remember when Sports Tiger started its journey. I was there. I remember when we broadcast Pakistan Super League. I was there. I remember when we organized our first cricketing tournament. I was there. And now we are here. And it has been a surreal experience, to be very honest. The journey has been so good. I learned a lot. I made very good friends. And it's hard to describe, It's hard to describe.
हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज ये था, स्पोर्ट्स इंडस्ट्री के साथ साथ मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज ये था कि हमें रिमोटली काम करना था और ऐसे बंदों के साथ कोऑर्डिनेट करना था जिन्हें शायद हमने कभी देखा भी नहीं था और जिनसे कभी हम मिले भी नहीं थे। फिर उसके बाद हमने धीरे धीरे छोटे छोटे इवेंट्स और टूर्नामेंट्स वगैरह जो कहीं कुछ हो रहे थे वो हमने कवर करना स्टार्ट किए। इस तरीके से हमारी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई। फिर एक दिन सब कुछ बदल गया और IPL 2020 अनाउंस्ड।
I think it's very hard to describe what IPL means to us at Sports Tiger. I think it's more than just a tournament, that's for sure. It's an emotion to us now, covering these 60 games in the way we did. I think it's very, very special to all of us here at Sports Tiger.
मैं एक वो एम्प्लॉय हुआ करता था जो 10 से 7 वर्किंग हुआ करता था, बट यहाँ पे जब मैंने स्पोर्ट्स टाइगर ज्वाइन करा, यहाँ पे डिफरेंट जर्नी थी। यहाँ पे I see people are so much passionate, dedicated about their work. Everyone like carry different level of passion, और वो चीज़ मैंने नोटिस करी तो चेंजेस आए मेरे में भी।
Covering IPL and covering it with Sports Tiger team is experience of completely different level.
Overall, it was a very good experience, but the best of all I would say is that I have learned how to manage between two different places. One I'm working from and the second I'm working for.
I'm Manashri Burad and I have been working with Sports Tiger since the past 1.5 months throughout this IPL season. Well, this is by far one of the most memorable IPL season of mine, and where I've learned a lot. I have indeed watched a lot of matches.
This is Abhishek Bajpayee, an intern in Sports Tiger organization. What a roller coaster season of IPL this has been. The best moment for me was the time when I became a part of the Sports Tiger organization, and also the moments when my work was being appreciated. Had a feeling that I have contributed somehow to the organization through my work.
I think for the first time in life, for me, it was not just an IPL going on the screen, but an IPL going on at my workplace as well.
IPL 2020 was actually very special for me, more because as a sports lover, I really wanted to work for the IPL. Sports Tiger actually helped me understand how a mega event like the IPL is planned and executed.
To be very honest, the environment has been very warm and they welcomed me with open hands. Writing review articles, preview articles and match prediction articles during the IPL has been a huge learning curve for me.
Hi guys, myself being a very big cricket fanatic, I've really enjoyed working with Sports Tiger during this IPL 2020.
They say it's good to have an end to any journey, but it's the journey that matters in the end. Well, with this only, I would like to cherish the memories of my IPL journey in the past month.
IPL 2020 is very close to my heart, as I never imagined that I will get this freedom to watch the whole match and work on it. It has been amazing and it will remain.
The journey in IPL 2020 has been like a roller coaster ride for me. because I've worked with almost 25 to 30 different people who I have never seen or met in my life.
It was quite strange, but it was amazing to be working with the people I haven't even met.
Everyone is like IPL is coming, IPL is coming. मैंने कहा ठीक है, IPL आ रहा है तो क्या हो गया, मतलब ठीक है. But then I got to know कि we have to cover 60 games at a stretch. मतलब कोई गैप नहीं है, आपको 60 मैचेस एक साथ कवर करने हैं.
I think very early in the tournament we realized that we will not be able to achieve our results if we only go with the mindset that we will start our work at 10 o'clock and will end by 7. And we knew that we need to put some hard yards, we need to see as what best can be done for the product, of course, because as I said, this was our first IPL, and that's when we decided that it's okay, we will sacrifice all the offs and everything and we'll work as much as possible.
Working during the lockdown was not easy, but we did it. We did it smoothly, we did it efficiently, and I could not be more proud. It's like, seeing your child grow, that proud feeling in my heart.
It was an absolute pleasure to work with a team like we have at Sports Tiger. Everybody stepping up, everybody doing their bit, and people covering up for each other, and that is exactly what we see on TV as well.
We had a lot of fun at work, although remotely, but I got to learn a lot of things from a lot of people.
And अब मैं एक वो हूँ जो used to log in at 11 or 12 in the morning, but log out time maybe 2 a.m. 12 a.m. 1 a.m. But yes, मैंने यहाँ पे मेरा first IPL काफ़ी enjoy करा, मज़ा आया.
And the people who I have never met with was a difficult task, but managed to do that. We also had the Sports Tiger League to keep up with the morale high during this phase. So we have to prepare a team of our own on the basis of the performance of the people in the team.
I've never imagined that we can look at sports with so many different angles, that super overs, that Dhoni is definitely not, that toss, that run, that wickets, that flying catches, and so much more. This IPL is a complete package of entertainment.
And also a very big shout out to Vedant sir for always being there for me.
And what I liked about the team is they know the positive attitude, which helped us everyone to overcome all the obstacles that we faced during the process and create a very good working environment for everyone in the team.
I always been a huge cricket fan, but this time the experience was so overwhelming. What kept me going was the thrill every team member had within them.
But yet they have helped me at every stage, and we overcame each and every hurdle that came our way throughout the IPL.
I would say the most important thing is the team you're working with, the encouragement and the support you get, and how they help you to get the best version of yourself. Major learnings would be you are a team, you grow as a team, so you should act as a team.
I think we were only planning to do a pre-show with Atul Vasan, but then we realized that we are doing so that we can keep our users updated. So we ended up doing a pre-show, we ended up doing a mid-show and a post-show as well, so that every user believed that okay, I know what happened in the first innings, now I know what can happen in the second one. In the post-show, he knows that how the game panned out. He need not to watch the game on the television for 3 hours.
हमने कई सारे ग्रुप कॉल्स लेना स्टार्ट किए, कई सारे मीटिंग्स हुए, कई सारे डिस्कशंस हुए, कई सारी चीज़ें फाइनलाइज हुई, कई सारी चीज़ें रिजेक्ट हुई. उसके बाद हमारा फाइनल प्लान निकल के आया कि हमें आईपीएल को किस तरीके से कवर करना है.
I just want to wish all of my teammates hearty congratulations, and it's just the beginning, guys. It's just the beginning. We have a lot to achieve. We have a lot to conquer.
Where you can learn so much, where you can grow, where you can be able to see the sports from very different angle, and that's what Sports Tiger did.
Sometimes we were pushed each other to work with better efficiency, while other days we were stuck figure out the things for ourselves. Each moment is worth remembering.
और इस पूरे आईपीएल के दौरान हमारी टीम ने बहुत मेहनत से काम किया, बहुत ही लगन से काम किया. एवरीवन इज़ वेरी वेरी मच पैशनेट अबाउट देयर वर्क, एंड सिर्फ इसी वजह से हम लोग उस लेवल को अचीव कर पाए हैं जो कि 10 से 12 साल पुराने मीडिया हाउसेस इस इंडस्ट्री में कर रहे हैं, वो हम लोगों ने इस 8 महीने की ड्यूरेशन में करके दिखाया है.
I think it will be missed because after the longest of time, 6 months period, the discussions in our living rooms actually changed from the rising cases to how many sixes were scored, how many boundaries were hit, how many wickets were taken. And it wouldn't be wrong to say that IPL is not just a tournament, it's an emotion, as I said earlier.
Every tournament should be celebrated like this, and we will do it. We will celebrate every tournament like this. Every tournament is as big as IPL for us.
Our planning, our coordination, our execution made our journey success, and it came out very well. Overall, it was a roller coaster ride for each and everyone in this team, and that's how we celebrate IPL at Sports Tiger.
That's how Sports Tiger celebrated and covered their first IPL.
That's how the Sports Tiger team celebrated the IPL.
And that's exactly how we celebrated the Indian T20 League at Sports Tiger.
And this is how the Sports Tiger family celebrated the IPL.
This is how we celebrated our first IPL with Sports Tiger.
And that's how the Sports Tiger team celebrated this IPL.
And that's how Sports Tiger celebrated the IPL.
And that is how we celebrated the IPL at Sports Tiger.
And that's how Sports Tiger team celebrated the IPL 2020.
And this is how we celebrated the IPL 2020.
And that is how the Sports Tiger team celebrated the IPL.
So that's how Sports Tiger celebrated IPL this season.
I just want to thank each and every one of you, all the users, all the participants, our cricket experts, of course, Atul Vasan, and of course, Monty Panesar, who is a very good friend of mine, of course. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much, my team, for delivering in the way you guys did. It has been one hell of a tournament for all of us.